Hi, my name is Jenifer and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Dentitox Pro before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Dentitox Pro is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Dentitox Pro from, because Dentitox Pro only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Dentitox Pro, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Dentitox Pro works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients. What impressed us as we started the review process was the sheer amount of positive Dentitox Pro reviews from people who were using the product. These were real consumers who we could verify and were willing to let us interview them through email. One woman was so thrilled with the results that she purchased additional bottles to give out to family members for Christmas. It is the widespread satisfaction among users that empowers us to recommend this product, and we even have team members who have begun regularly using it while brushing their teeth as a preventive. It is also nice knowing that if the product does not work for you, you can get a refund. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Dentitox Pro, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Frequently asked questions. Here are the 10 most common questions we encountered while reviewing Dentitox Pro. 1. Are there customer complaints about Dentitox Pro? Whether Dentitox Pro is a scam and whether there is a notable amount of customer complaints are two issues that we were hyper-aware of as this Dentitox Pro review unfolded. What we found is that verified Dentitox Pro customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive. We did not find any indication that the product is a scam, and the few unsatisfied customers we were able to vet all received a full refund. 2. Is Dentitox Pro safe? Yes. All of the ingredients used in the Dentitox Pro formula are known and safe to use. In fact, you can review all of the ingredients yourself via reputable online resources like Healthline. In addition, the drops are manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified plant. Finally, there are no known side effects associated with the use of this supplement for the general population. 3. Do you need a prescription to take Dentitox Pro? No. The Dentitox Pro formula does not contain any controlled substances. It is considered a dietary supplement. That means that it is not controlled by the FDA and can be sold over the counter. 4. Is it safe to take Dentitox Pro with other supplements? Yes. You can combine dietary supplements in general. However, heed a word of caution when it comes to mixing supplements. Be aware of what you are putting into your body. Calculate the total amounts of each nutrient. Note the recommended dietary allowances and adjust intake accordingly. 5. Is it safe to take Dentitox Pro with medications? While there are no known Dentitox Pro side effects caused by interactions with medications, you should always seek medical advice in such matters. We recommended consulting with any relevant physicians, your dentist if applicable, and your pharmacist to determine if the combination is safe. Even in most cases where there is a potential interaction, the remedy is usually adjusting the intake schedule. 6. What are the expected results and how long should it take? The most obvious effect that you will experience from taking the Dentitox Pro drops are that your teeth will be whiter, and we recommend taking some before photos so that you can compare. This supplement can also help to eliminate bad breath, regenerate tooth enamel, prevent bleeding gums, and even reverse gum disease. Surface results, such as whiter teeth and fresher breath, can occur within 7 days. More substantial results will generally not occur until around day 30, and the average person will not see the full results of taking Dentitox Pro until about 90 days of continued use. 7. How long does it take to receive an order? Customers in the United States can expect their orders to arrive within 5 to 7 business days of the order being placed and the payment clearing. It can arrive as soon as 48 business hours later. Customers outside of the US should expect a wait of 14 business days. It can arrive much sooner than that, but there are numerous factors involved, including customs and various small couriers. 8. Where can you purchase Dentitox Pro? You can purchase the Dentitox Pro supplement through the Dentitox Pro official website called Dentitox.com. The manufacturer does not currently sell the product through retailers and other third parties. 9. Is Dentitox Pro sold with a money-back guarantee? Yes. Dentitox Pro is sold with a 100% refund policy. That guarantee covers all opened and unopened bottles. It does not cover shipping and handling fees, but those are waived for US customers. You have 60 days to request a refund, which is plenty of time to determine if you are satisfied with the product. If you determine you want a refund, contact customer support at contact@dentitox.com. That will begin the refund process. You will then need to send the opened and unopened bottles to 37 Inverness Drive, East Suite 100, Englewood, Colorado, 80112. Once the product has arrived at the return center, the seller will process your return, and you will see it posted to your account within 48 business hours. 10. What about Dentitox Pro sold through other retailers? As of this writing, Dentitox is only sold through the official website. Full stop. Products sold through other sellers are dangerous at worst and fraudulent at best. Many of the products you will find outside of the official channel are knockoff products, often a sugar solution, sold by Chinese companies. Some genuine product does get outside the official supply chain due to theft or acquisition of product marked for destruction. While these are genuine products, the drops are no longer safe for consumption.